He's gonna compliment me all night with this.
I don't know how I always end up in situations like this, but let's start from the beginning.
What is the look of? So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love.
Why does it seem like men can't grasp the fact that loving a woman is so simple? The little gestures that make big impacts. Love comes in so many different forms. It's funny when you become of age, love isn't defined of what you read in storybooks. But yet, we want a fairy tale. A knight in shining armor to come to the rescue. But what is he saving us from? Because the love I give myself is somewhere I never want to escape. But I'll never deny the fact that I love love. It's nice to be loved by someone else other than myself. The sweetness I feel inside. It's almost comparable to feeling full after a full course meal. And maybe, just maybe, I may have room for dessert. Girl. Do y'all not see the flowers, the dessert on the bed? It's romantic getaway. Hello. It was very much needed. I'm in Alabama right now, y'all. I know you're like, what, in Alabama? But I was invited out here, so of course I'm gonna come. Let's go. Oh, I need to get ready though. Like, this man is literally waiting for me in the lobby. And I'm like, wait. I need to take a shower. I need to get ready. And he's like, oh, yeah, take your time. I'm very understanding, very patient. So yeah, I need to hurry up like quickly because it's getting late and I don't want to hold him up. But I'm just a girl, you know? I gotta get ready. I'm loving this Glaze Craze tinted lip serum from Laneige. Y'all, it's amazing. And lucky for you, you'll be able to shop during the Sephora Savings event. The Sephora Savings event is here now and Sephora is sponsoring this video. And the Sephora Savings event is happening from April 4th through April 14th. Make sure you act fast. Rouge members come to the front. We're first in line. We'll be able to access the Sephora Savings event from April 4th through April 14th. And Rouge members get 20% off. All Sephora collection is 30% off. And VIP members, your second up, you get 15% off starting April 8th through April 14th. And insiders, you get 10% off starting April 8th through April 14th. And if you don't know what to add to cart, girl, I got you. Everything that I'll be using for my little date night will be linked down below. Cause y'all know I love Sephora. I'm just a girl, okay? And also, this is online and in store. Online, all you need to do is use code SAVEMORE at checkout. So yeah, girl, let's get started because I am looking crazy. I'm debating if I should get in a shower or take a bath, but I think I'll be losing time if I take a bath. But this bath is too good. Like, this hotel room is gorgeous. It's beautiful. And the customer service is so nice. Every time I go to a hotel, I'm like, should I live here? But anyways, let's get started because I don't want to hold this man up, girl. Like, he done pulled out all the stops and I just want to show up and show out as a girl should. So no, as a woman should. Let me not get it twisted. Every time I'm in a cute bathroom, y'all, all I think about is Beyonce 7-Eleven. Show the style, wait. y'all, I just took a shower and I feel like the ultimate woman right now. I don't know, taking a bath and soaking up the bubbles just has that ultimate feminine energy. And that's what I need to exude. I just feel like a woman. I feel super clean after traveling. And now I'm going to moisturize my body. And my secret weapon is the Fenty Eau de Parfum body cream, y'all. Every time I wear this, I get so many compliments. And it's just a thick, rich, creamy body cream. And it just has the Eau de Parfum scent to it. And when I say glow is on a whole nother level, girl. And I just love topping this off with other perfumes, and you just get a sexy, feminine scent. It's exfoliating my legs so they're nice and smooth. Legs feel amazing. When I take a bath, my body feels like 10 times softer. I need a little soft to the touch, if you know what I mean. Soft to the touch. Soft to the touch. Soft to the touch. Soft to the touch. I'm about to prep my skin because I am going to do a little bit of makeup, but my skin's looking so good. Why am I out of breath? I've been loving to use the Ilia. This is the base face milk. It's a lightweight moisturizer and it helps with barrier complex. And I just put a little bit on my skin and I just press it in. And this is gonna make your face look so dewy and glowy. And it just helps prep your skin for any skincare, makeup. And I've just been loving it, especially to restore my skin barrier. Favorite moisturizer right now is the Tatcha water cream because this is oil free and I have oily skin. So I've been running through this like down. And I need to re-up during the Sephora Staples event. So moisturizing, so hydrating, and it's so lightweight as well. Especially, it's good for daytime vibes. And my eyebrows got so thick, y'all. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Favorite SPF. This is the Believe True Cream Aqua Bomb Sunscreen. Believe just knows what they're doing when it comes to sunscreen. Just because I'm still fading my hyperpigmentation spots, so I just want to make sure they're protected from these UV lights, girl. Okay, even indoors. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I'm just so giddy. Like, girl, calm down. Skin on the body, skin on the face. Yes. That's better. So, like I said, I'm not gonna really do a lot. He knows I like cozy vibes. I just wanted to chill, relax. The reason he invited me out here is because I have a lot going on, y'all. He just wanted to take a little weight off my shoulders. You know what I mean? Make me feel like a woman. Make me feel relaxed. Escape from the chaos. First, I'm gonna go in with the Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Powder. This stuff makes your face look like a filter. I just take a little bit and rub it in. And it's super lightweight and it's gonna look so pretty for your makeup. And then I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury. This is a color corrector. This on my imperfections first. Okay, base. I'm actually gonna go in with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum just to have like a glow. I'm gonna go in with the House Labs Foundation. This is their Skin Tech Foundation. I meant to put it on before. Foundation is so flawless. Y'all see the coverage and the color match? Yes, friend. But she came because I was on my menstrual. Regardless if you do break out, regardless, you're still a bad bitch. Okay? You're still a bad. You're still that girl. You're perfectly imperfect. Imperfections or not. But my concealers, I like to layer my concealers. So I like to go in with a concealer that's closer to my skin tone before anything. So I'm going to go in with the Hourglass in the color Flax here. Meantime, I'm going to go in with NARS Chocolat for my contour shade. Just to let my concealer sit a little bit. Really see the difference when you let your concealer dry for a second. I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona. Y'all, I like this concealer a lot. Snatch under eyes, snatch, and look at the applicator. You can really get in those inner corners to really conceal. Don't put a lot of concealer. I just put a little bit while I'm layering. The NARS will forever be my fave. There's nothing more that I love than a man looking at me when my face is snatched. I feel like my makeup is melting so good into my skin because it's so hot in here. So I like a little bit of a bright under eye. I'm gonna go in with the House Labs 21 Light Medium Neutral. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Wear Even Creamy Concealer. This concealer is so good. Fenty just knows what they're doing. I love the Eavesdrop Blur and Smooth Skin Tint Stick. I would have used this today, but I kind of wanted to wear the House Labs foundation. But on a regular basis, I like to use the Eavesdrop stick because it's just so lightweight. It looks like skin. It's just so good. The House Labs is still a lightweight foundation as well. And I only like to put a little bit of the concealer of the brightening because it's only staying in that area and I don't want anything to look hacky. That's a bad look. The Huda Beauty Strawberry Cream Blush Filter Liquid Blush. I'm someone, I like a flushed out mauve blush, and this is the perfect color for that. I don't think I'm blushing on my hand, but really it's Huda Beauty. Yeah, thought I really be blushing though. I ain't gonna lie. Right away, I'm just gonna set my under eye.
Your mother's so old that her breast milk is powdered. You breastfeed like this.
I like to do a light powder these days. I don't like to do too much. I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty eyeshadow stick. I like that this is so easy to blend out, and all you have to do is just blend it out with your finger so my eye can have a little bit of definition. I may do a little baby wing. I love using the NARS Climax, and then y'all, this brown one size point made is so good. I think I'm gonna go in with the brown. Wait, no, we should do dark. It's nighttime vibes. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And y'all wanna, when you're curling your lashes, go in and up like this, like that, like that. My brows have gotten thicker. I don't like to go too heavy on filling them in. Too much. And I'm just gonna clean up the under eyebrow with the NARS concealer in Biscuit. This is my favorite concealer to wear on a day-to-day basis if I just want to have that no makeup concealer look. It's just so creamy, so blendable. I'm gonna bring some life back into my face with Fenty Beauty's Beijing Gal, and I use this to contour my nose. Fenty matte foundation on the face to blend everything out. With the Paprika blush, she goes to the gym. Such a pretty mauve color. But I like to look very blushed out. See on the highlight of course, as well as around. See, I love how this blends out so good on the lips, y'all. It's the perfect nude for any single skin tone. Who knows? Oh, and with NARS Turkish Delight, the perfect pink. And then my favorite gloss bomb, this is the Sweet Mouth by Fenty Beauty. It just makes my lips look so luscious and juicy. We can make a do what a do, yeah. Spray. And I don't have the Fenty setting spray with me. I forgot that at home, but y'all must get that immediately. So let me take my hair down. Let me see what it's giving.
Baby boy, stay on my mind if I feel nothing.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you.
I love when I take my hair down. It's like the final accessory. But I'm about to get dressed, and I have this Chris Collins Les Eau de Lice. Y'all know this is my ish now. I had to get the full size bottle, girl, yes, off Sephora. It smells so good, and I know he's gonna compliment me all night with this. Like, it's just, yes. I'm about to get dressed and meet him downstairs, so let me hurry up. But I think the face is cute. It's cute for a little quick beat, okay? And don't forget to shop all the Sephora links down below in the description. But let's get dressed. Can't wait, excited.
And you know, some things are just better left unseen. Going on romantic getaways is such an escape from reality. A moment I never want to end. Apparently he didn't either because he booked us a spontaneous vacation. Love will have you in the daze until reality follows you both and you are no longer on vacation. The beach won't always be paradise, but the real paradise is finding that person that won't give up on you when the sun stops shining and clouds start to fill the sky. Skies turn gray, smiles turn into frowns, and then my world eventually turns upside down. Not knowing if the sun will still be there. But eventually, the right one will come along and you'll see the light and find your way back to paradise. But even in the storm, it'll be worth it. As much as I don't like to talk about past relationships, they're a blessing in disguise. They showed me how to love myself unconditionally. It's never about how the other person treated me. It's about me asking myself, why are you still here? This relationship is filling nothing. Space is still empty. Seeking validation from someone who doesn't even see you. But I see you. A man doesn't need to be in the frame for love to be in the picture. Conflict turned into comfort of loving me, myself, and I. Because without it, I would not